Hello traders, welcome to this video on the ultimate Renko indicator for MT4. This tool brings Renko break charting into MetaTrader 4, filtering out time and small price noise so you can focus on cleaner price trends and turning points. At this point, it's also the ultimate Renko chart so you can see how it looks in real time. The ultimate Renko MT4 indicator builds a Renko style chart where each brick represents a fixed price movement rather than a fixed time interval. New bricks are only added when price moves the chosen brick size up or down, so small intrabar noise and back and forth ticks are ignored. Long sequence of same color bricks visually highlight strong trends, while brick reversals, that is a new brick in the opposite color, mark potential turning points in price direction. As you can see on the chart, the blue indicates the bullish trend, also displayed on the main price chart, while red represents the bearish trend. Now let's check its settings. We have the color of each brick, color 1 for the bullish brick and color 2 for the bearish brick. Now, who is it for? The ultimate Renko MT4 indicator is suited to traders who prefer to trade clear trends and reversals without the distraction of time-based noise across Forex, stocks, commodities, and indices. Choice of break size is critical. Too small and you get noise. Too large and entries may come late. Renko itself does not show intraday timing or volume. It's wise to combine Renko with other indicators, backtest your break settings, and use alerts and risk management to avoid overtrading. You can find the download link in the description below. You can also read the full Ultimate Renko MT4 article, including installation steps, feature breakdown, and trading tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.